is dedicated to transforming Nigeria into a leading global food producer. This was the resolution of agricultural stakeholders at the Inception workshop on reducing open field burning in Nigeria, for which over $195,000 has already been sourced. Uloma Oyimachi reports.
From flooding, air pollution, wildfires to severe heat waves, this phenomenon occasioned by climate change threatens the very existence of humanity. One of such causes of this degradation is open field burning, where farmers set fire to clear stubble, weeds and waste before planting a new crop. Although this has been an age-long practice, agricultural experts and stakeholders at this workshop describe the practice as highly unsustainable, and here is why.
We know that when people burn their farm waste, it can cause a lot of health issues and environmental issues. So this project is an 18-month pilot to work with 500 farmers in Boko. But the learnings from this project is going to be across Nigeria. That's why we're having the launch today. We have people from Ministry of Agriculture from all over, from all the 6 geopolitical zones.
Addressing this issue of paramount concern to Nigeria's Agricultural Ministry, and is poised to extend increased support to agencies directly involved in combating open field burning.
And we have some of these NGOs and some of these development partners that are willing to partake in some of these activities, and that's why we are having this project here, because this is being sponsored by the CACC, which is Climate and Clean Air Coalition, which is an organization that is funded by so many countries.
So when we target the 500, we will target the overall people of Boko as well through a lot of sensitization.
Now the action point is being taken to the field with a planned pilot training of farmers in Benue State on the detrimental effects of short-lived climate pollutants resulting from open field burning.
Yeah, there have been a lot of meetings worldwide to think about how to mitigate the issues of climate, and then to see that greenhouse gas emissions is mitigated and the reduction of all these problems. So we are going to be working as a pilot in Benue State and in Boko local government area to start with, and we are looking at cascading this knowledge and the learnings to the entire country.
This kind of meeting will be valuable for real farmers and can promote the agricultural sector and boost food security if well executed. Uloma Oyimachi, TVC News, Abuja.
And for more on this, Country Director, Self-Help Africa, Joy Aderele, joins me from our Abuja studio. Good to have you join us on the news at 1. I understand that the open burning has been a traditionally used method and is a cost-effective method for agricultural management, but it's no longer sustainable due to issues of climate change. What are the alternative methods being provided to smallholder farmers at this point?
Thank you very much. My name is Julius Sawu. I'm the project manager for the abatement of short-lived climate pollutant in the Nigerian agricultural sector project. The project is actually designed by the government of Nigeria to deliver sustainable behavior change and reduce open field burning in 100 communities. Before now we've had communities, cultures, the knowledge, attitude and practices on open field burning. They believe burning of crop residues is the best for them, so that they will be able to have good yield. Some feel the ash from whatever they're doing, they feel that the burn will bring more productivity. But we have come to see a lot of climate change going. We are seeing a reduction in productivity while producing, as well as greenhouse gas emissions, leading to climate change in our various communities in the country and the world over, and they've been clamoring for a change. What we are looking at during this project implementation is actually to aggressively engage the farmers, smallholder farmers, in trying to teach them climate smart agricultural practices and the no-burn alternatives to see that they embrace this. This is aimed towards increase in productivity, increase in resilience, and as well as reduction in greenhouse gas emissions. We are looking at engaging these farmers. First, the baseline survey, we will get to understand their attitudes, their knowledge, and their practices, and then we go ahead from there and develop the kind of no-born alternatives that is in country and from where we have been working.
Well, I also understand that you will agree with me on the need for sensitization of these farmers. Some of these farmers do not understand the downsides of their action. I understand that in this project, 500 farmers will be trained. Can you walk us through what the training will entail?
Yeah, thank you very much. We are not only going to be engaging 500 farmers, we are going to be engaging 45 Agri-Extension officers. Agri-Extension officers are the ones who are at the grassroots level to work with the farmers. They are the ones that have the power, they are the ones that have the knowledge, and they are the ones that can work very well directly with the farmers. So we are going to be engaging them to train them, as I had said, strengthen their capacity. First, the training of trainers of 35 extension workers from Boko local government in Benue State, which is the pilot project area, and then 10 from other geopolitical zones. We want to see them, their capacity built on climate-smart agriculture and on no-born alternative. And then this knowledge that will be gained will be cascaded to the farmers. Through the farmer fiscal approach, they will be trained. We are looking at establishing 20 farms of 25 farmers each per demonstration farm. They will be learning these different no-born alternatives that we will bring to the table. And through the farmers fiscal approach, when they learn these, they will be able to now go back to their farms and practice what they have learned to see that there will be increase in productivity. That's what we are looking at. And the learnings from this project, actually, as a pilot project, the learnings from this project will now be cascaded to other farmers and other geopolitical zones in the country. That's what we are looking at.
All right, very quickly before I let you go, air pollution, soil degradation, and the severe heat waves that we are facing in Nigeria, some of the inherent disadvantages of these open burning methods. And you also know that air pollution is one of the leading causes of pneumonia deaths, especially in Africa. What more efforts can be made to ensure, safe agricultural practices and also protecting individual health?
Yes, just as you have said, thank you very much. Just as you have said, worldwide, we know that there's about 67,416 fatalities attributed to overall air pollution, and like 49,591 to household-specific air pollution. It actually shows the ongoing threat to vulnerable populations, particularly children, from both outdoor and indoor air pollution exposure. And so, even the World Health Organization, they know that we have approximately 250,000 additional deaths per year from malnutrition, malaria, diarrhea, and heat stress, as you have mentioned earlier. We are looking at engaging not only the farmers at this point, but there's going to be a lot of sensitization. We are looking at behavioral change communication. We are looking at jingles, airing jingles. We are looking at bringing professionals to speak to the people as well as moving to communities on sensitization.
I'm hoping we'll have more time to discuss this, and I'm also hoping for the success of this project. Thank you for joining us on the News at 1.
Thank you too.